take off.
Hello everyone, today in this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a thumbnail for your own on YouTube. So first what you could do is go over here and real quick download a simple easy app which is called Thumbnail Maker. Once you have searched that up, download the first app which will be right over here and then open it up. After you have downloaded it, open this app up quickly, and once it's opening right now, I would just like to say I'm 15 years old, okay? I have made one thumbnail for this video, so right now as you guys can see, like you get an ad, just like type of remove that ad right there. You guys can do anything right here. One more thing, you can add these type of text things right here, and you might just go to your gallery and you might want to put anything right here, but what I'm gonna do first is show you people what you will be doing in this video. So I'm gonna just save that, that'll be good. So what I'm gonna do, you can add some pictures right here. What I'm gonna do is add this YouTube picture right here. Just click that. What I'm gonna do is size it kind of lower like that, and then yeah, like that, and that's perfect. That must be cool. Like you can remove it if you want, like that. You're gonna put like that a bit. It looks kind of good. And what you're gonna do now is you can type in your text. Like I'm gonna put that into. Like I'm just gonna type thumbnail tutorial. And I'm just gonna add it quickly. You can choose all your what you want to add it as. I really recommend you using this thing. It's pretty good, and yeah. And what you can do is you can make it pretty cool, like what I'm doing right now. And you just click that, and once that's all done, what you will do is, as you guys can see, it's done like that, and you guys literally can't see. This looks like insane right now. This looks like wow. If you want to add more of your pictures right now, you can add a track from over here. You can add all those from here. That'll be pretty good. And if you want this white screen, there'll be one more app you need to download, and its name is right over here. Its name is Photo Editor. You gotta download that and fix the size whatever you want, and once that's done, you got the screen white and you can make it like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Many of you people are kind of getting angry at me because I'm doing some kind of nothing which I should do, I'm guessing, but I have that much, so just don't care. And yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this really good video. If you want to save it, just download it right over here. It's right over here. Just click the download JP. I don't want to download this, but yeah, I'm gonna download that quickly. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and yeah, see you later.